Welcome back dear. A tale of two birds. This we saw here a king, right? Rishi's ashram, everything we saw. You are right, sir, answered the bird. He is my brother, but he has made friends with Robert. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore. Just then, the Rishi entered the ashram. Just then refers here at that moment. That moment when who was talking to whom? Yes, the bird was talking to the king. See here so many robbers. Small brown bird. It's not a small brown bird. It is a big bird only now, right? This bird was dash fill in the blanks. Very good. This bird was children try. This bird was friendly with robbers. Right? Any bird you can fill here. Just try. Right? You're right, sir, answered the bird. See the respected words that the bird is using. Rishi's ashram. A bird with the Rishi's ashram is talking very respectable words. Children, you too have to try. The words are very, very important. The words you are speaking will determine your attitude, will determine your family status, everything. Right? Here. Welcome, sir, he said to the king. Who said? Rishi said to the king. Please come inside and make yourself at home. Make yourself at home in the sense, feel comfortable as if you are in your own home. That is what is the meaning here. You look tired. Rest for a while. You look very tired. So take rest for a while, for a few minutes. Then you can share my food. The king told the Rishi the story of two birds. So the king shared. He was shocked, isn't it? She was surprised. He was surprised. The king was surprised about the two birds. All these incidents he was sharing to Rishi. And how each had behaved so differently. Though they looked us alike, so alike in the sense, the same way, like twins. They looked the same, but the attitude, the behavior was entirely different. The forest is full of surprises, said, who said? Said Rishi. The holy man smiled. The king told Rishi. So the forest is full of surprises, he said. Here he refers to the king dear. King told Rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. The forest is full of surprises. The king said. Here he said, in the sense the king said. Any doubts in this paragraph? Right? Yes. The holy man smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. Here company refers friends. Right? That bird has always heard the talks of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. Imitates, copying. Right? He copied what robbers are. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Here the bird who lives in ashram is also repeating the same. What it is heard. What is heard to the bird? Always a polite word, respectable word, gentle words this bird is hearing, so it is repeated. Right? So he welcomes people to the ashram. Come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds. These are the words of Rishi. The king is hearing everything silently, right? So now, just a recap from first, right? Tale of two birds. What are that? A big bird with two small bird lived in a forest in a big tree. One day, a big storm came and a big branch hit the nest and killed the mother bird. Right? These small birds, two small birds, one went to robber's cave and one went to ashram, Rishi's ashram. So one day a king came riding in a horse. He was, what happened? He came to hunt a deer. He saw a deer and started hunting. He lost his way and he was very tired. So he sat near a tree, sat under a tree. Near that tree, he saw a cave and he heard a voice also. Quick, hurry up, come and take his jewels and horse, otherwise he'll slip away. So hearing this, the king was shocked and he saw up there was a big brown bird saying all this. And some noises were coming from the cave also. So the king quickly went away from that place. Next, he went to Rishi's ashram. There he heard a very sweet voice, gentle voice. Welcome to the ashram, sir. Go inside and take rest. The Rishi will come back soon. Make yourself comfortable. There's some cold water in the pot. Have it. Make yourself comfortable. The king saw that there was the same brown bird, big brown bird in the king's shop. The king was shocked and he was very, very surprised. The same, but how it came here? He was very amazed. The king was in a surprise. At that time again, who is answering? The bird is answering. You're right, sir. He's my brother. He made friends with robbers, so I'm not talking to him. When he was conversing with Rishi, who? No, the bird was conversing with the king. At that time, Rishi entered the ashram. Right? So, Rishi is welcoming the king. He's asking the king to take rest and have food. And the king shared everything what he saw to Rishi. And Rishi said, what is the moral of the story? That's only he said. The bird's company is with the robbers. So he repeated the words of the robbers. The one who lived in the ashram also repeated the same words which he or she heard. Here he, she, everything referred to the bird. Okay. Now he is welcoming people to the ashram. He refers to the bird here. Personification. Figure of speech is personification. We will discuss about this in the forthcoming chapters. Right? The moral of the story. One is known by its company's equity. It shows how a person's company can influence him and change him. It also emphasizes that we should always keep good company. Children, very, very important in our life. This moral has to be utilized as a mantra for you. Okay, you have to keep a very good companion so that your life will be good. Now coming back to question time. How did the two baby birds get separated? Right? All these you have to write in your classwork there. I gave you 5 questions. The 6th question is MCQ that can be answered in book itself. Right? And so many short answers and long answers are given for your reference. All these can be asked in your examination. It is not necessary for you to write short answers and long answers in your classwork. Just 5 questions you write, that is enough. Right? The two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day, a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two chicks away from the other side, the forest at a little distance from each other. Thus, they got separated from each other. Where did where did each of them find a home? One of the young birds came down near a cave. The gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of the rishi at a little distance. Right? The third question. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Yes? Hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, it is asking the robbers to take away his jewels. Okay? And he is asking the king immediately what the king will do. The king will move out of the place, isn't it? When there is a danger, do you think we will sit in the same place? We will run out of the place immediately. The same way here also, the king ran out of the place. Not ran, he rode his horse and came out of the place. What did the second bird say to him? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. He added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talked like that. Okay, the bird explained to the king all the details of the bird, the second bird. How did Rishi explain in the different ways in which the two birds behave? Children, there is no space here. You just give a space for this. How did the Rishi space explain the different ways in which the two birds behave? Children, after each and every question, you have to leave one line. After finishing the answers, you have to draw line, right? So question in black pen, answer in blue pen. Okay. The king told the rishi about different behavior of the two birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Their different ways were the result of their company. Now the sixth question is MCQ question. MCQ is multiple choice question. Choose the best answer like that. Which one of the following sums up the story best? So, what is the moral of the story? That is, what is the question here? A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. No. One is known by the company one keeps. Exactly, this is the correct answer. A friend in need is a friend indeed. No. One is known by the company one keeps. Here I wrote the answer here. You just take the answer in your book. Okay. Any doubt in question and answer? What you have to write in your classwork? Any doubts? The question should be in black. Answer should be blue. Right? So I gave you some short answer. The same story can be asked in different ways. The possible questions are and what way you have to answer. All these I gave you. You just pass it and you go through this. Okay? Right? Fantastic. So we came to the end of the session. Right? If you have any doubt, please comment or you just